YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Click, and I'm back with another video for you guys, man. Today I'm gonna be looking at Woo Wop and DDG pulling up on Adin Ross, man. I think that kid is super funny. Like, you know that this kid is set to be a star for the rest of his life. So I'm just gonna be watching that video and reacting to it and seeing what happened, what craziness went down. Because as I said, man, that kid is a star. He's so funny. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, man. Turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and let me know what you think about the video, man. Woo Up, that's what it takes to be bigger than DDG himself. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
I got you, bro. Cash App. We should take
Bro, it's so crazy how much he looks like his dad.
Yeah, I'll just I got him, and he'll give it to you.
Like, that guy could have never went. He could have never went on the Maury show talking about, oh, I don't think that kid looked like me. I've never seen it.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I like your chains, bro. It's tough. And your whole outfit. You dress better than me. What the?
Everybody dresses better than you.
Yeah, say what's up, man. Do you want to stand on the chair? Oh, we're all gonna hold it. Yeah.
Man, I almost took a tumble before the stream even started. Yo, he's a funny you, bro. Look at his dad and look at him, bro. Damn.
We trying to change your image and shit.
Yeah. What exactly we're doing here? Like some type of ritual?
Yo, it is so stupid.
Feel like yourself right now.
Oh, okay. Can I get you anything, man? A water or?
I seen you on YouTube. It was you and Lil. He gave you like an N-word pass or something.
Yeah.
Who the hell gave him an N-word pass?
Say it.
Bro, yo, this kid is funny. I don't know if they told him to say all this shit, but he is funny.
What you mean?
His delivery is funny.
Say it.
Say what?
Say it right now.
You say it first.
The man told you to say it. Why are they
Hey,
bummy?
bro, look, you know what I'm saying? Well, man, I just want to say I'm a big fan, bro. But that word is just not in my vocabulary, man. I don't.
Say it.
Yo, this kid is funny, bro.
Did he say it when Moo told him to say it?
Say it.
Which, you gonna get offended if he say it?
No. Say it.
Yo, this kid is funny, bro. I know. Say it.
Here, I have
I
an
don't know
idea.
if you know, but
I'm gonna whisper whatever. I'm gonna whisper in his ear, and he's gonna say what I say. That's fair, yeah?
Dumbass nigga.
You say it. Say it.
I just said it. No, I whispered. I said it.
Say it out loud. Say it out loud.
I said it.
Say it out loud.
Well, please, bro.
Say it out
I
loud.
already did.
Say it out loud.
Bro, say it, bro. You got to, bro.
Listen,
Okay, wait. Bro, you at the peak of your career right now, bro. I don't think you want to say that shit.
Yeah.
I know Woo can be intimidating and shit.
Yo, that shit is so funny.
Yo, my heart beating fast, man.
I feel like you might get canceled and shit.
You think I would?
No.
I say it all
No.
the time, just not on stream.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
You say
Why'd
when
you
you're
believe?
alone?
No.
Say when you're alone?
No, it was a joke. Right? It was a joke.
What'd you say? What did he say? Cuff now, hell shit.
Oh, yeah.
He never said it?
Nah.
He said,
nah.
dumbass nigga.
We be violating him though.
Yeah, they say some crazy things.
Oh no, we don't.
Have you ever said it in your head? Like,
Of
just
course.
In your head?
Of course.
Like when I
Nah, cause
when
we
he
be
pulled up.
sending text messages saying nigga all the time, so you know he read it.
Oh, of course.
Yo. That's actually funny. I never actually thought about that. Like, obviously, you know, mans won't say the word, but they definitely read it in their head, and you hear yourself saying the word nigga in your head. It's like, you're basically saying it.
He's red. Yo.
When we send that nigga to, they read that shit. They be saying, oh
yeah. Oh,
say it in their head for sure.
Oh yeah. So like I know about the word. You know?
Why does Speed be barking at you though?
He's half dog.
What, dude?
Can you tell them
Yo.
one of the worst decisions you ever made?
You know what's
I
funny?
was just telling you about.
Is that this
You know
kid,
that he used to play the game with Speed.
he's so good.
Really? What game?
He's so good at this shit, because it's not like, oh, they're telling him, oh, say this next, say that next. Even if they did, it's probably from before. So he's good, man.
He got 5,000. Don't listen to that, man. But he got 5,000 one day playing with Speed, right?
Uh-huh.
And then it was this little boy that Speed started barking at. And I blocked him on everything. His number.
You did?
His everything. Damn.
Well, I got so Speed has a brother. Speed has a brother.
I didn't even know that.
I'm gonna go ahead and try giving him a call. Speed's out of the country right now, so he won't pick up.
Boy went to go see
Quick,
Ronaldo.
you know what I'm saying? I wanna see if maybe he knows anything about the situation.
That's why you're here, man.
Yo,
Hit that
fucking
sub,
here.
man. Hit that like.
Yo, the fuck? So,
Uh-uh.
I'm really sorry. Oh my god. You want me to wash my mouth out with soap?
We do not
you say?
care.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
no. He already know. He been through that shit.
Okay. Yeah. Back when I used to make naughty words, I would.
Naughty
Bro, how's
This
it
guy
gonna
said
pick up
naughty words.
Hold up.
Aiden's a funny character
We
too.
do that every day while we were playing Call of Duty.
Bro, literally just saw your face. Oh, I know what he's doing actually. Oh God, he's doing what I think he's doing too. He's yeah, he'll call back. Give him a couple minutes. Yeah.
I know what he's doing too.
But anyways, oh wait,
Why did DDG standing awkward like that?
yeah. See. Okay. Yep, I knew he was doing that. How's life been, bro? I've been seeing you everywhere now. Like it's crazy. Like I'm in shock, bro, because I'm really genuinely a fan, bro. Like I love like all the stuff you're doing. Like, congrats, bro.
How are they talking to this youth like this?
Stop looking at me like that.
I'm just thinking in my head. On YouTube, you look way different than in real life.
What's the difference?
Like his hair look different on YouTube, but and like your gaming space look different on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, this kid's smart, man.
Probably.
So, who up? Let me give you a little insight on him. So he just got out of a relationship with his girl.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Single.
So he going through something. So I wanted you to give him like,
Some advice.
relationship advice.
Yeah. What you got? Like you got relationship advice, right? I have a question. Like you deal with a lot of girls and stuff.
No,
So you can't give me any advice?
I could.
What you got for me?
You gotta explain what happened to him here, dude. Explain what happened.
Huh?
Relationships.
She got an
they sometimes
OnlyFans.
don't work out for the best, right?
Like a toxic relationship.
Like a toxic relationship.
Bro.
And you
The
know,
fact that he knows all these words is
kind of what
killing
happened
me.
to me in a way. It's more detailed than that, but to just sum it up, yeah, like it didn't work out. So you get what I'm saying?
Yo, Aiden's a funny character, bro.
What you feel like he should do? His girl made a
OnlyFans.
Does he know what that is?
Yeah, he's pretty smart.
He knows what that is. How old are you?
6.
Oh wow, okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, he is smart as hell.
Made a,
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. OF.
My ex, not my girl. My ex.
His ex made a OnlyFans, and she be on there showing her body to other men.
Yeah.
You feel like
The way they're explaining this shit to him is so funny. No?
No.
why not?
She belonged to the streets. Aye. Solid advice, man. From a 6-year-old?
He or she?
She.
Oh, those deserve me. Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Obviously, brother.
Stutter. It's something you know that we don't know who up.
No.
What you gonna say he? I mean, it's cool though. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that.
Nah,
Yeah, it's cool.
nah, it's cool.
I was just wondering and shit.
Yo, these niggas are funny,
No,
bro.
yeah, it's cool. How does he know? That you're smart for your age.
He be on the net. He be all on the internet and shit.
100%. This
Like,
nigga's
on
too
the
smart.
internet? Who do you follow? Who do you watch? All that.
I really just watch YouTube shorts.
Oh yeah.
Like that's literally all I